Hello friends, it's Danny here of Danny's Dreams, and it is day 24 of my Tag a Day series. So let's see what I used to create with today. I used the Not Too Shabby Plaids for Christmas paper pad. I used the Scrappy Boy Torn Edge Nesting tag dies. I just love the shape of these. And then I used the Scrappy Boy Cute Girls Merry and Bright stamp set. Super cute. And I thought since today is Black Friday and so many people are shopping, although to me the sales have been, they started in October, and I don't know, there's just been so many of them. So I don't know if there's anything left to do Black Friday shopping, but if you are, have fun. But here is my cute little tag for Black Friday for day 24. Got that cute girl, and she's colored with Copics and my new Ohuhus. Got that paper there, put the sentiment there. I want all the things. That is me to a T, and I just think she turned out adorable. Remembered my stamp and cardstock on the back and some ribbon, which is not red. I'm actually ordering some soon. But there is my cute little shopper girl. She's getting all the presents taken care of. So that is day 24. I will see you back here tomorrow for day 25. And until then, go do something for yourself and go get crafty. Bye.